Well, this is John Clark, and I'm going to go through assignment 801, plot generator. First, let's go ahead and run the code. Okay, so you'll notice that the first thing that I've done is to execute the simple plot generator that prints something happens. The second thing that was mentioned in the main function is the random plot generator that produces this sentence. And now we're in the interactive plot generator, and it's asking us to choose the plot. So I will put in some numbers. Whoops. Okay, and that's the plot. Okay, so let's go down into the code, and I will jump to the random plot generator first. You'll notice the first thing that I do is I open up all the files, and then I put the data into a set of tables. After that, I strip out the trailing blanks and new lines, putting it in another table. Moving to the generate function, I basically use the random dot choice function to select a random name from each one of those tables, and then after that construct the plot and return that back. So let's go ahead now to the interactive plot generator. Here I create dictionaries that store the 5 randomly selected choices in each of the tables that have been input. There is a method that is called from another class, which I call plot viewer. You'll see this right here, index self PV query user. That is the method that I'm calling, and I pass that this string as well as the dictionary. And then so after I basically create all these dictionaries, or I should say, create all these dictionaries and then accept the user input and which one they want to choose from each one of those dictionaries. I then construct the plot and return that back. Finally, looking at plot viewer, it accepts the dictionary that's passed to it. So I repeatedly use the same routine for each one of the input choices. I print what's in the dictionary and validate the user's input. If the input is invalid, it then returns the integer value of the selection back to the interactive plot generator. So that's it. End of the video.